Hello everyone. Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College, video lectures and ISR initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institution run by the prestigious RV group of institution, has come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Vijayalakshmi R, Department of Commerce, BCom program has posted a video on the subject modern marketing and the topic digital marketing, which comes under Unit 4. Please watch the video till the end and like and share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Marketing. The first thing is digital marketing is always reachable to the public easily. At the same time, it gives more importance to the interactive communications. It is always a result oriented approach. Continuing with the same features, digital marketing always focuses on the customer. It gives many research platforms. It always innovates something new to the customers, and it finds the ways and means in reaching the customers and becomes successful in marketing the products. And moreover, when it comes to your digital era, it is more influential to the public and it is also quite viral. Those can be the features of the digital marketing. When it comes to your types of digital marketing, we can study about the content marketing. It is all about creating the informations in the website. That means, so we are going to create a data. That is, a data marketing can be called as a content marketing, where we are going to upload a research papers or providing the informations or giving certain informations through the electronic media can be referred to as content marketing. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing is both are the things which are used in Google Forms, where we are going to develop the informations in such a way that before the customer asks for anything, all the required details will be uploaded. So that kind of uploading the informations and providing the different varieties or different choices, price range, and the different companies or the product, that comes under search engine optimization. Next kind of marketing is pay-per-click advertisement. That means whenever the customer click, so it can be considered as a order placed. So a Swiggy or the other kind of companies which can be quoted as an example for pay-per-click advertisements. Affiliated marketing is a kind of marketing where you are going to create a link. So in that link, you will connect to the some other web page. So that is affiliating marketing. That means you are going to give the links. Through that links, you are going to upload or approach the new websites. That comes under the affiliate marketing. Email marketing is a very popular type of marketing where it is always connecting the people in a personal way. That means customer are always provided with the mails with regarding to the opportunities, with regarding to the discount, or with regarding to any other new arrival of the products that will be sent through the mails. It connects the customers personally to the seller, where seller will have a personal communications with the customers. It builds the bondage between the customer and the sellers. That kind of marketing can be called as a email marketing. Next, coming to the instant messaging marketing. So here it is just like a pop-up messages which are given to the customers with regard to the offers or the benefits which are prevailing at present. Next, coming to the advantages of digital marketing. So digital marketing ensures that we can reach the people globally within no time, and also comparatively the cost incurred in digital marketing is less, and we need minimum number of personnel, and we can have a global access. You can find the customers not only in the domestic level but also through the international markets. That means you can find the customers from nook and corner of the country. It is quite trackable, it is measurable, and also it enables to have the openness. That means it creates the transparency in operations, and also we can make use of the social currency. Means when it comes to your payments or when it comes to your receipts, we can make use of the payments, which is easy. That is, conversion of the currency from one form to another form is also minimized in case of digital marketing. And it also gives you the conversion rates also. That means in a digital marketing, everything is made so simple that we need not go to a bank to have the exchange of one form of currency into another. It is quite advantageous to go for a digital marketing era. So at the same time, we have certain disadvantages related to digital marketing. It needs a lot of skills, lot of training, and also it is quite time consuming. And when we are talking about the digital marketing, there is a competition, high prevailing competition. The reason is, here all the countries which are already developed, they are posing a very good technology. In front of that, India is also supposed to improve their technology as well as their digital infrastructure. Spending a lot of money towards the digital infrastructure is also one of the thing which is happening at present. It is quite challenge to deal with the complaints and the feedbacks. So we can see that in a digital marketing or in online shopping, a lot of cheating can happen, and the people may lose the money, and there won't be any private securities or security threats are also can be noted. And also when it comes to your digital marketing, cyber crimes are also increasing day by day. That is also one of the challenge which is faced by the digital marketing. And the sellers that is objectives are fulfilled, and the importance will be to ensure there is a proper economic development. And next, coming to the advantages of e-marketing, it is considered to be anytime marketing. It always increases the sales. It ensures there is a customer satisfaction. It ensures the cost will be reduced. At the same time, the customer can have the access from anywhere in the world. They can place their orders and get the products, and also easy to find. They can find the products wherever they are, and it is quite easily accessible, and it can be considered as one place marketing. Next, coming to the disadvantages of e-marketing. So obviously each and every customer will feel that there is no face-to-face interaction, and the marketing complexity. That means the in a country like India, where we have 65% rural population, they find it quite difficult to go for online shopping or place an order through electronic media. Still it is in development stage and need to achieve something more. That means the awareness about the electronic operations and the electronic marketing need to be spreaded across. And the next thing is, when it comes to your digital e-marketing, or it is a digital marketing, when it comes to your online advertisements, people usually ignores it. They always skip the ads. The advertisement will not be so successful. And apart from that, as we told already, it needs a very good digital infrastructure for which a huge investment need to be maintained. At the same time, all the employees who are working for it need to be trained properly. They need an extraordinary knowledge and skills. Of course, the companies need to face the lot of competitions to achieve the. And next, coming to the e-marketing types. So, as we have already discussed, it is a search engine marketing, social media marketing, blog marketing, article marketing, email marketing, affiliate, viral, and geo marketing can be noted down. These are all the different forms of electronic marketing where we are going to have a different kind of services based on the data, or based on the product, based on the services. So, and also the customer is going to opt for the same thing according to their needs and requirements, according to their expectations. So here the viral marketing tells you about, so the people will create a information in such a way that the person who reads it will feel like forwarding it to others. That comes under the viral market. Next, coming to the mobile marketing. The mobile marketing is nothing but the one of the favorite thing that students likes to know about it. So the marketing happens through their mobile phones. Wherever you go, you carry your mobile phones. So with the mobile phones, the product buying and selling happens. So obviously a person will have their mobiles all the time. So it can be considered as a all-time marketing. The products or the services will be pushed through the mobile phones. That is, there will be a inbuilt app, or sometimes the customer will download the app like Flipkart or Amazon, like that. So where through those apps they can go for the purchasing or buying of the products. The mobile marketing is quite personal, and it is carried with the people, and it is a all-time reachable. Mobile phones not only built, it not only contains the built-in app, but also you can have the other apps which can be downloaded, and it sets the creative inspiration. It provides the accurate audience advantages. As we have discussed in case of e-marketing and the digital marketing, the same kind of advantages can also be expected from the mobile marketing, where there is a quick access and it makes the life simple, and it makes the purchasing and buying simple, and with the form of SMS or with the just a click you can have a product at your doorstep. Those are all the advantages which makes the people to go for mobile. And when it comes to your mobile marketing strategies, we have SMS marketing, MMS marketing, push notification, app based, and in game mobile, QR code, Bluetooth, proximity, location based services, and voicemail. The last but not the least, we are going to discuss about the digital disruption. What is this digital disruption? See, the digital disruption tells you about here day by day the technology, new kind of technology will be emerged out. As and when there is a new emergence of the technology, the product which are prevailing already, that will become outdated. That means as and when the new technology arrives, the old technology products will become unmovable in the market. That is called as a digital disruption. That means because of the improvement in the information technology, one side the economy is benefited, the other side the products which are having a little slow or a little less technology will not be pushed in the market. They will lose their market, and that kind of thing can be called as a digital disruptions. And this digital disruption have their direct impact on the development of the industries, at the same time development of the economy. The goods and services what they have produced should not go waste, but somehow they need to push it up, and also they need to plan their price again. That is the that is the problem which what we can see in digital disruption. Thanks for watching the video.